Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align multiple objects in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to align the multiple object, you can draw multiple object. Now you can see here ellipse. Now I am drawing another shapes. Select the polygon tool and draw the polygon. You can make the fill color. Now select the move tool and select the multiple object and make alignment left, center, right, top, middle and bottom. You can align anything. Now you can see we align multiple objects very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.